Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. The Day the Crayons Quit is a story by Drew Daywalt. I think this book is super creative and fun. It's all about a box of crayons who are a little bit over the way they've been treated.
The story follows a box of crayons and their owner, Duncan, and it shows all the letters that his crayons have written to him about the ways they are either happy or unhappy with how many times they've been colored with. It is so funny and so unique, but do not worry, there is a happy ending for Duncan and all of his crayon friends.
I think that you and your kiddo are really going to love this book. It is super funny and creative. I think you should definitely pick up a copy of The Day the Crayons Quit. It is a super awesome book, and that is my point of view.